When you're looking for a brand new built-in cooking appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're buying a built-in double oven, you'll always need to check the height dimension, which can vary from around 86 centimeters to 89 centimeters. The other two dimensions have standard size ranges, with the width measuring between 59 and 60 centimeters and the depth between 54 and 58 centimeters, so you won't need to worry too much about either. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can get cooking.